Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the world of consumer products to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we have something special in store for all you car audio enthusiasts out there. We're going to take a closer look at the Pioneer TSB351 PRO car audio speakers, which are known as the best 13 cm car speakers for bass available in the market. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a review like this one. Now, let's talk about these bad boys. The Pioneer TSB351 PRO car audio speakers are designed to elevate your car's audio system to a whole new level. They are part of Pioneer's Pro Series speakers and are engineered to deliver exceptional sound quality and bass response. One standout feature is the titanium diaphragm. It's what gives these speakers their crisp and clear high-frequency reproduction. Plus, the aluminum die-cast chassis provides durability and minimizes vibrations for premium sound. But it's not just about clarity, it's about power too. These speakers have a maximum power handling of 300 watts and a continuous power handling of 150 watts. That means you can crank up the volume and still experience a wide range of frequencies with clarity and accuracy. Speaking of frequencies, the TSB351 PRO has an impressive frequency response, ranging from 3.0 kHz to 22 kHz. That's a seamless response that ensures an immersive audio experience, whether you're into heart-pounding bass or crystal-clear highs. Now, here's the kicker: the sensitivity. These speakers boast a sensitivity rating of 100 decibels. What does that mean for you? Well, it means you can enjoy clear and powerful sound even with lower power inputs. No more distortion, even when you crank up the volume. The Pioneer reference for Open Show series is all about serious sound pressure levels, and these speakers are no exception. They're designed to perform year after year, delivering the kind of audio experience that car audio enthusiasts crave. Installation is a breeze with a cutout dimension of just 3 inches, making them suitable for various car models. Now, let's talk about the price. These speakers are currently available at a 22% discount, selling for just $70.65 on Amazon, down from the original price of $90. And guess what? They're in stock and ready to ship to your doorstep. But wait, there's more. If you're looking to enhance your car audio system even further, you can bundle these speakers with other great products like the Metra speaker connector and the Pioneer FHS722BS double-DIN audio CD receiver for a total price of just $263.63. So, if you're in the market for the best 13 cm car speakers for bass, the Pioneer TSB351 PRO car audio speakers should be at the top of your list. They offer exceptional sound quality, easy installation, and enhanced bass response that will take your in-car audio experience to the next level. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car audio enthusiasts. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with these speakers, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.